Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. If you're new here, last time, make sure to check it out. It's called, wait, what's it called?
Slime Part 1.
Yeah, Slime Part 1. And then this is Slime Part 2. So make sure to check it out. So we made the slime. So today, and make sure, oh, why did that happen again? So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that notification, and give us a huge thumbs up. We're gonna need it. Yeah, this sat too long. Okay. Gotta add some activator.
Can you tell everybody what you're doing?
Oh, yeah, we're making slime, if you didn't know. If you weren't here in the last video, we made this big batch of slime. So, now...
Hold on, I have to go get our dog, Maggie. We can show everybody Maggie.
Yeah.
Magnolia. Say hi.
Say hi,
hi.
everybody.
Say, I'm Maggie.
She really likes slime.
Alright.
Alright guys, let's go back to the video. That was a powdery mess, guys. Alright, back to the video. That was a powdery mess. When I poured it, the powder went everywhere. Slime can be a mess sometimes. Alright. Guess my dog's making all those sounds. If you guys can hear her doing this sound. This is gonna be the world's hugest slime, but maybe it might not, because maybe at the end of the video, at the end of the video there's gonna be a mystery thing. Last time we didn't do it because we were out of time, so we just got to do it this time. Alright guys. See the slime? It is working out pretty well. I don't know about adding the rest of that, but that's okay. Now, why did I touch that again? Okay, guys. So you see that? We're going to pour. It's way too much, I think. We're gonna pour that in. We're gonna stir it. Now we just need some baking. Oh, this is baking soda. I thought this was baking powder. I'm so sorry, guys. This is baking soda. This has turned out into a kinetic. Bad idea. Just gonna shove it in there. It's a gloopy mess. It's stuck to the table. Okay. There's like more wet stuff, so it's like, oh. I need to, like, see that, guys? It's like falling out of the slime. Oh. Might be fixing it. I shouldn't have done that. Oopsies. Okay, it's working. Earlier, I made a big bubble. Not in the first video, but like when we were off camera. But it was huge. Alright. Now guys, what all of you guys have been waiting for, the mystery. So, I'm going to move all this away so we have room for the mystery. I'm just going to tell you guys. So, I made a bunch of slimes like a few weeks ago, and it was very cool. So I'm gonna mix all the slimes together. I thought about it. I was really sad when I discovered that. But when I was going to mix all of them, but then I was like, whoa, that would be pretty cool, and you guys would love it. So I'm gonna do it. So right here's our first one. The water. I'm just gonna pour the water. I hope it's still good because I made it like. It's solid as a rock. Oh my. Okay. That's actually not enough. Okay. The slime is pretty goopy. It's sizzling. It's weird. Okay, hopefully this one isn't solid. Oh, it's good. Oh. Guys, this must be a fail. I'm so sorry. I did not know there would be like that. This actually glows, and like it turns yellow to red if you take it into the sun. Okay, I'm gonna do. It's solid as a rock too. Oh, who made like a print? It's pretty cool. I can make that as like a statue. Think I can fix it. It smells pretty good too. Oh, it's gross. This one's very gross. Solid as a rock too. I was hoping this was gonna be cool. This is my goal. Oh, it glows in the sun too. Turns yellow to red. Ugh. Oh, it is gross. Well, I guess that was a fail. And this is the one that turned my hands blue. Oh, turn. See, my hands are kind of blue now. Okay, let's do this. Solid as a rock too. Oh, that's all my slime. That was a mess, guys. I feel like these slimes are really good, but like this one is my best one, this purple one. Could probably still save the slimes, but I think they need thrown away anyway. Or we could like make a statue. I can put them like in a bag and we'll see what happens. They'll turn rock solid. That would be super cool. Okay, I'll put them in the bag. In the next video, I will probably show you what it looks like. But we'll put these slimes in this plastic bag, and I will show you guys how you can save these. How you can save your slimes. So we're gonna take your slime. We're gonna put it in a cup. Here, I'll use this cup. Make sure it fits. Wow, that's super cool. So then you're going to take a Clorox wipe. You see that? I turned my hands blue yesterday, so I touched this so I can get the wipe. So you're gonna take Clorox wipes, and you're also gonna take a rubber band. You guys think, what is that? What is that for? Why would you put a Clorox wipe? What is that for? Do you clean your slime? No. You could guess though. So, I don't know how to get this undone. Okay. So you only take one. I think I took more. Oh no, I only took one. Then you're gonna cover it over your slime. See that? And then you're gonna take a rubber band. You're going to gently attach it over your slime. So you're like, what would that do? The moisture puts it on the slime, and like the moisture from the wipe puts it on the slime, and it makes it not dry out. You might have good luck on the bottom of your slime. So, yep. Well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the notification, and give us a big slime up. Big thumbs up. We made a mess on the ground over here. Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching, and always stay happy. Watch Olivia Kate Unicorn.